Welcome! In front of me I have a Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. After the settings open, you should see the option called General, and once you see it, tap on it to select it. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called Time/Date and tap on it. And here, if you want to change the time manually, you will need to disable the auto time update. Then you can scroll down, select the time, wait until the GPS is done searching. And now we have the option to select the time zone. And basically that's how you change the time. You select the time zone you want to use. So for example, let's say this one. And the time will be updated, as you can see. You can also change the dual time option, so you can select different clock, for example this time zone. And you can also change the time format, so we can disable the 24-hour format if you like to, and this will change the time to 12-hour format if you disable it. And as you can see, we also have option to change the date format if we like to. So we can tap on date format, and here we can select month, day, year, or the day, month, year. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can press the lower button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.